Right. My name is Deputy Superintendent Sean J. Mitchell. I'm the Zone 4 Commander, comprising Little London and Negril. Today, the police are continuing their search efforts for a young man who is suspected to have drowned in the river here at Big Bridge, Little London. Young man, Janae McCoy, 18 years old, suspected to have drowned after going for a swim in the river sometime on Monday. The police are here. We are conducting some search operations. We've sent for independent diver who is willing to go inside of the river and conduct further searches. Members of the Coast Guard were here earlier today and provided some support, but unfortunately we're unable to dive based on the current circumstances in the area. The Marine Police also provided some support yesterday, and we'll continue the ongoing search for this young man. Right, so residents here mounted a small roadblock this morning in support of continuing search operations. So the police, we've been here with the residents, we've been providing the support. So we just want to urge residents to be patient and allow us to conduct the operations. This type of search and rescue operation has to be done strategically, and we have to ensure that we follow protocols, we follow the advice of persons who are experts in the area. Now, when the independent diver gets here, then we'll continue the search operation. Hopefully that we'll come up with something today.
Search and take up the dead body of the river for fish. Go right over the whole world and a foreign fish them go. And we don't want no dead body in the river, someone man then can search a little youth and take him out of the water, which is right. But everybody need a proper burial. And right now, this will stop people and mash up with things, and I will live in the about thing this. So I want the people them to see and know what going on. And come look for the man and take him out of the river. Because I don't want no dead body, I don't want no fish eat him.
Wait. Ready.
The name is Ian Miles, Councillor, Little London Division, Deputy Mayor, Sablamar. Well, it's a very unfortunate situation. We have lost the life of a young man who presumably was having a bath here and just jump off to get a swim. Unfortunately, he cannot swim, and so because of the heavy terrain, the heavy movements on the floor of the water, that in itself would have created difficulty for him, which sadly we have lost him. I want to utter my deepest condolences and sympathies to the bereaved family at this time. But the challenge that we're having now is that we are unable to find the body. As such, I want to commend the citizens here for their bravery, just their living, in a good community spirit by being neighborly and seeking to assist. They have been here for the last 2 days, diving relentlessly to try and identify the carcass of the young man. Today we have not yet seen any success. We would have tried to reach out to divers additionally from Negril, some of those experts in Negril. We are unsuccessful, but at this time we are lucky that another resident here would have been an experienced diver over time. He is now being prepared to go in to comb the other area, the small portion of the river that has not yet been combed. And so we are hoping that we will be successful in our quest in identifying the body of this young man at this time.